Okay, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna have a nerf gun battle against my stepbrother. He has a BP 1902. I don't know what this one's called. So if y'all could tell me, please leave it in the comments. So, now, on the count of 5, we're gonna start. That's 2 out of 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. See how this plays out. Remember, it's 2 out of 3. And if you haven't, if I can do a jump in the air, trick shot, and hit him, everyone watching has to like and subscribe. You ready? Go! Okay, let's set this up. Missed. I underestimated how hard this would be to reload. Now. Gosh. No, I missed. Okay. So, I won 2 out of 3. We might do another thing, but if you could all like and subscribe, that would really help. See y'all next time.